The Indian Air Force plans to buy Heron reconnaissance drones and Spike anti-tank missiles from Israel to improve its surveillance capabilities and firepower, especially in the dispute with China. According to Indian government sources at the ANI news agency, the Heron UAV needs to be acquired to increase the number of existing drone fleets to meet the needs of the Indian Air Force fleet. The Heron unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV) is already in the Indian Air Force, Navy and Army and is being used extensively today by battery reconnaissance and target seekers of the Indian Army and Indian Air Force in the Ladakh sector. The Indian military is also trying to get an armed UAV version, as well as upgrading the existing fleet to a combat UAV under the ambitious Cheetah Project, pioneered by the Indian Air Force. IAI Heron is a medium-altitude long-endurance unmanned aerial vehicle (MALE) UAV developed by the Malat division of Israel Aerospace Industries. The drone is capable of operating for a duration of 52 hours at altitudes reaching 10.5 km (35,000 feet). Although able to fly continuously for 52 hours, the maximum effective operational flight duration is less than that depending on the load weight and flight profile. The development version is Heron TP, also known as IAI Eaton. Heron navigates using an internal GPS navigation device, and pre-programmed flight profiles, manual control from a ground control station, or a combination of both. Heron can independently return to the base and land if there is a loss of communication with the ground control station. This system has a fully automatic launch and landing and all-weather capability. Heron can carry a series of sensors, including thermographic infrared cameras and visible light aerial surveillance cameras, intelligence systems (COMINT and ELINT), and various radar systems, totaling up to 250 kilograms (550 pounds). Heron was also able to conduct target searches and adjust artillery shots. Source: airrecognition.com